Google Docs column and part of Pace. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open the Google Docs on your device, whether PC or laptop or your phone, and just choose any document. After you choose the document, you need to add a table. First of all, tap on the plus icon, tap on the very table option. Now you need to add one row, two columns and just one row. Tap on insert the table. Now you can see the two rows and one column has been added. Just write whatever you want to on these very rows. Now after writing a paragraph or more than a word, just tap on the very table and tap on the cut option. And just select the words that you've already added. Make sure you don't delete the words, and then you will see that the two sentences are now parted on each side of the page on the Google Docs, and the table has been deleted. Just make sure you delete the border and the words are there. Doing that, you can see that two words are on the different sides and your problem will be solved. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.